Yo, this is King Earner coming to you guys live and direct. Be sure to jump in my DM on Instagram, King Earner1. And brothers, you're having a problem with your blood pressure. You're having a problem moving your bowels. But more than anything, you done dumped about a 50,000 perks. And guess what? It's doing the reverse thing where you're not working. I want you to go ahead and get in my DM right now and say, King Earner, give me $50 of that honorable honey, that honorable honey grow. Listen to me. You're going to mature physically and mentally in so many different matters, and she's going to forever love you. I'm King Earner from the Honor Your Life campaign. See the bees in there? Well, guess what? Get ready to be honored and get ready to never stand down. Listen, I want to speak on something. We're going to go far back. We ain't drinking no tea. We're drinking all coffee. We're going to make sure that we honor the people truthfully here. That mutt GQ Casanova. What's his whole thing? Somebody give me some dibs on this mutt. Somebody let me know something, because about a year or two ago, he was high woofing. Cassanova this, he ain't the real one. I checked him in jail. I done this, I done that. It's like, are you serious? If all these things happen, what made you back up? But more than anything, New Yorkers, Philadelphians, I'm not accepting anymore. Listen to me again. I am not accepting any more statements, like the statements that's written out. A lot of you guys are rats and y'all hiding things too. I'm only accepting whatever the circuit, federal circuit, Supreme Court has online or was said in the sentencing transcripts. GQ the mutt, I feel like you're a liar. I feel like at the end of the day, you're so much a liar that you're missing the fact that you're seeming like a beauty broad, like one of these broads come on from the can, and we expect the honorable star brim, a woman who, in the streets, she come home, she get on a jug and she get to selling clothes. That's their hustle. Not saying that men can't sell clothes. It's the way you went about it. You started all this riffraff, and I'm guessing you might have seen this man and you went another way, which is understandable for a guy who walks around with boots that look like they cowboy boots. You're kicking doo-doo around like you some country mutt from Hillbilly Willie show somewhere, you know what I mean? The Merv Griffin show. I'm not honoring it. You didn't come forth. I asked you nicely and respectfully in a DM, yo, listen, man, you put some paperwork out about that man. You didn't come forth as a man. So now that you haven't come forth as a man, I'm going to smack your eye out of you. Smack, smack, smack. You cannot put paperwork out on people and do not stand by it. Where is this proof at? Where is the sentencing transcripts like I have on that rat Max B? Where's the sentencing transcripts? If there isn't no sentencing transcripts, why are you sending me DMs and sending people DMs at that time? Get us to earn it, because at the end of the day, you know what I'm saying, a bull rat, blah, blah, blah. I stand on it, man. You don't stand on nothing. You stand on dishonor. And I just want people to understand that I'm kind of understanding to the Casanova situation. I've been there. The guy's giving me great energy. The guy is giving me energy like, I'm going to tell a youngin' stay out the streets, blah, 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 blah. Don't associate yourself with other people. I gotta respect it. I gotta respect it. Now, what happens in the next past 6 months to a year, I don't know. But I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. I don't think that guy's gonna tell. I don't think he has nothing to tell on. He is allegedly brought in about this. Allegedly. And we see that his wife or his significant other, she went and she done what she was supposed to do and put a video up and say that the young lady that everybody was speaking on isn't even got nothing to do with the situation. And how true that is, I don't know. I do see somebody by the name of Shanae or something like that. I don't know who is who in these indictments, but I'm just praying that everyone is staying sturdy. Come on, let's promote this in a positive way, because as we know, 6ix9ine, that rat has a lot to do with everything. See, he's sneaky, he's quiet, and he's a mutt. And he was fearful of Casanova and the guys that was his security that was around him protecting his business and everything he has going on. But when you have an individual like 6ix9ine who says, oh, this guy is a threat, and they probably, them folks, Ben was grabbing 6ix9ine. So their whole twist was like, man, his whole thing, they cuffed me, they asked me what they doing, what you saw. I seen a pistol. Did that really happen when that happened? Y'all seen this? You know how these rats do. So, like I said, I'm in the business of honoring people in a correct manner. I'm not in the business of honoring people in a wrong manner. And the way it's all, playing out right now, we're going to restore his honor. Because I'm solid. No, I'm solid. Listen to me. I see clear, I hear clear, and everything that I have going on is nothing phony. You must understand that I am not in a position to ever want to throw Solomon under the bus. When you got this guy claiming, oh, I got this paperwork and all that, and now he's ducking and hiding as if someone told him, shut your mouth and stop lying, you kitten. You come out with all this paperwork. No. Sentencing transcripts is all I want to hear from now on. I don't want to hear anything else. I'm King Earner from the Honor Your Life campaign. Y'all having problems in that bedroom. I know y'all are. Get that gold. Get that real gold from King Earner. Listen to me. Got high blood problems? You don't got to worry about this shooting your joint up. Y'all know them other things that y'all getting out them stores, them packs with the honey in it. Y'all, blood pressure to the moon. Oh my gosh, I damn it died last night. Go in the hospital to get checked. You got COVID. So you gotta start thinking and using your mind. I'm King Earner from the Honor Your Life campaign. Let's focus on getting our hells back together physically and mentally. And let's start restoring some honor in people that it ain't no clarity there. There's no clarity that man told. So it's better that I clear it up now while he's down and wait for the outcome. Anybody that know Casanova telling King Earner said, don't let him down. I rarely restore honor, but that mutt with them boots on is not of honor. He's a fake Ric Flair type of mutt. King Earner live and direct.